Okay, I'm here to help out with a lot of issues that a lot of people have with their Kirby, is that their Kirby vacuum won't turn on after using it for shampooing or for doing their hard surface floors. As you can see, I'm trying to turn the Kirby on right now and it's not turning on. It's plugged in, the bag's on, everything looks good, but realistically it's really not. What's happening is that a lot of people don't know is that there's a safety feature right where my finger is pointing at, right there in between the bag. Now the bag looks connected up, but what we see here is that there's a dash here and there's a dash on the part where the Kirby bag is. Okay, it's not fully connected. What you need to do is line up this dash here, grab the Kirby, tilt it, and just push down on it to lock it into place. It needs to lock in. That's the easiest way to do it. You can see now that it is not lined up, it's fully locked in. The safety feature down there, as you can see, it's locked in. And now what you could see and hear is my Kirby vacuum turns on. Again, I will show you again that this dash here is lined up, and then you have to push it in to lock it in, and as you can see, it's locked in now and it will turn on. Give me some thumbs up.